In this part, we will try to answer the following introductory questions. What are electrical machines? What are the different types of electrical machines? What are the basic operating principles involved? Electrical machines which involve rotating parts are called dynamic machines, and those having stationary parts are called static machines, right? And number 4, a moving wire in the presence of a magnetic field has a voltage induced in it, and this is a basis of a generator action, right?
GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.